A lasting power of attorney, LPA, is a legal document that lets you, the donor, appoint one or more people, known as attorneys, often family or friends or a professional, to help you make decisions or make decisions on your behalf. Your attorneys will be your legal agents and effectively step into your shoes. The chain of events of LPAs. LPAs are documents you prepare whilst you still have full mental capacity and are used while you're living. They cease on death and then your will takes effect. There are two types of LPAs. Property and finance covers banks, building societies, collecting pensions and benefits, and selling your house. This can be used once registered with your permission. Health and welfare ensures your family are involved with your health and social care, palliative care for life-sustaining treatment, or end-of-life care. The health and welfare can only be used once you have lost mental capacity. When do we lose capacity? At FF Legal Services, we advise that everyone should make provisions for their future care before they lose mental capacity. LPAs are not exclusively for elderly people, and they should be incorporated into your financial planning. The fragility of life and its ability to change in the blink of an eye means covering every eventuality will give you and your loved ones peace of mind. People may not always be able to make decisions. For example, learning disabilities, dementia, brain injury, or a stroke. Dementia is progressive, and over time you will be unable to make decisions, and in the future, you'll be unable to make an LPA if you do not have sufficient capacity. Losing your ability to make a decision can be permanent or temporary. If you were 30 and running your own business and were involved in a car accident, you may well lose your capacity for a period of time. It's advisable to have an LPA to ensure that your business and personal affairs were dealt with in the interim, without you or your business suffering. Many clients worry about what will happen to their money and who they can trust. Taking control and making an LPA will alleviate this stress. Benefits of making a lasting power. Paying bills, care costs, and selling a property may be a necessity when someone has lost capacity, and it will make life so much easier for your family and loved ones. Consequences of not making an LPA. Without a property and financial affairs LPA, you could find your affairs could be left to snowball out of control. Without a health and welfare LPA, you will be at the mercy of social services and the NHS. The LPA brings power back to the individual and their families and loved ones. As with anything in life, you may choose to do a DIY LPA. However, with matters as important as your property, affairs, and health, we would advise you to use our services and would not risk jeopardizing your life decisions when your brain is unable to function correctly. If you make someone your next of kin, it does not mean that they'll be able to make legal decisions for you without an LPA. Without an LPA, you may have to resort to the court of protection route and have to apply for a court order called a deputyship for your affairs to be managed. This is a costly and time-consuming process. Call our office on 0115 939 3360 to book an appointment, or visit our website www.fflegalservices.co.uk for further information about lasting powers of attorney. Our offices are situated in the heart of Stapleford, Nottingham.